The Goldberg Centre for Vision Correction has a mission to be the premier eye care facility in Ontario. To achieve this goal, they treat each client with compassion and respect. By using the latest and safest techniques in laser eye surgery, they enhance their clients' lives by improving their vision. Dr. Goldberg took a moment to talk to us about his passion for his practice.
Laser vision correction is a lifestyle decision. Some people come because they want to go into the police force, other people want to go into the military, other people are just tired of wearing glasses or contact lenses. And it's a dream to be able to wake up in the morning. Some people, the first thing they do in the morning is they put their glasses on, and the last thing they do is they take their glasses off. So I find some people, it's actually quite revolutionary in their lives. But it's a personal decision. Some people will come to me and I'll ask them, have you ever considered contact lenses, laser? I like to give people choices. And when they do think about it and they think, well, I might be a candidate, then if they are a candidate, then they may go further. In order to be a candidate, a person has to meet 3 criteria. The first is that the prescription, the glasses or contact lens prescription, has to be stable. Number 2, your eyes have to be healthy. And number 3, you have to be healthy. I've chosen to do LASIK because it's a safer procedure. The risk and complication rate is half that of LASIK. When we do LASIK, we don't make any cuts in the cornea at all. In a very elegant way, we remove the surface cells, and when the surface cells are off, we do the same laser as we do with LASIK, but we don't make any cuts in the cornea. We put a contact lens on for 4 days, which we remove 4 days later, and then the cells have grown back towards the center. But again, there's no cuts. The actual laser procedure, as we perform it here, is absolutely painless. The person feels nothing during the procedure itself. The LASIK procedure, it's a much gentler process. The person feels nothing. Because we have the laser on site, and the laser that we have is a Vuzix S4 with iris registration, eye tracking, and wavefront. It is the most proven, up-to-date laser available in North America. We have this on site, so when a person wants to have it done, they can have it within days of actually having the initial examination. What really separates the Goldberg Vision Correction Center from really everywhere else is that I do everything from A to Z. Most places are seen by a technician or seen by a paraprofessional, and then they see the surgeon at the laser, but they may never see them again. I see the patients at the beginning, I do the assessment myself, I do the procedure, and I follow the patients after. I'm always there for them.
Originally, I didn't have any fears, but when I started to tell my friends that I'm doing laser eye surgery, they started to get me anxious and nervous. So just as anyone who's about to undergo eye surgery, I was afraid of the worst possible outcome. When I spoke to Dr. Goldberg and I mentioned to him that I was a bit nervous, he reassured me that everything was going to be okay and that my life was going to change dramatically. I'm in the medical field myself, and seeing the way Dr. Goldberg works with his patients makes me know that I'm going down the right path.
On a personal level, I'm a doctor, the son of a doctor. And my father was not a specialist, he was a general practitioner and well loved by his patients. Medicine and ophthalmology is a passion for me. I like to help people, and I do it in a way of integrity. It's very important for me that people know that I'm upfront with them. And I let people know, even if they are a candidate, what some of the perhaps disadvantages of having laser might be and what their advantages would be as well. I want people to have a good understanding before they go into the procedure. But for me, helping people is a passion. That's me. That's my practice.
The Goldberg Centre for Vision Correction is located at 2235 Kennedy Road in Scarborough. You can visit their website at goldbergcentre.com or call them to book a consultation at 416-412-4441.